Good morning, students. Welcome to science class. Hope you all are safe and healthy. Students, we are continuing with chapter 9, Structure and Function of the Living Organisms, Animals. In today's session, we will learn about skeleton system and reproductive system. Students, let us start with skeleton system. The human skeleton system consists of the skull, backbone, ribs, hip bones, and bones of arms and legs. The skeletal system performs many functions, such as it provides the body its shape and form, helps in the movement with the help of muscles, and protects the soft and delicate internal organs of the body from injuries. Students, bones are joined together by elastic strands called ligaments. Muscles are attached to bones by non-elastic tissues called tendons. Students, our muscles contract and relax, which helps the bones to move. The overall human skeleton is a mobile framework made up of 206 bones. How many bones? 206 bones. We will study about this system in detail in a higher class. Reproductive system. Students, all living things reproduce to ensure the continuity of their species. The reproductive organs in males and females differ in size as well as in their functions. In males, they have a pair of testes, and in females, a pair of ovaries. Tiny cells called sperms are produced by the testes, while ovaries produce eggs. Students, the union of a sperm with an egg is called fertilization. The fertilized egg develops into an embryo. The embryo grows and forms a baby inside the body of the female. Students, let us summarize reproductive system with the help of this flowchart. In males, they have a pair of testes, and in females, they have a pair of ovaries. Tiny cells called sperms are produced by the testes, while the ovaries produced eggs. The union of a sperm with an egg is called fertilization. The fertilized egg develops into an embryo. The embryo grows and forms a baby inside the body of the female. Students, now the chapter is completed. In the next session, we will do the exercises of this chapter. Till then, take care. Goodbye.